What's going on, guys? Welcome to another episode of RFO. Today, actually, some of you longtime viewers will probably note that we're fishing the same pond that I fished almost a year ago. And if you guys want to check out that video, I'll leave a link somewhere up here. But yeah, same scenario. We're fishing for some really small little trout, but it's so much fun on the fly. So that's what we're going to be doing today. But yeah, anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into the video. Got one. Nice rainbow on the fly. Came out to our secret spot today, and it was kind of dull and it was pretty windy for fly fishing, but wow, finally got one. Kind of surprised, to be honest. Let's go ahead and get this slow-mo release. Hey, caught a fish. Honestly, first fish on camera in so long. Actually, the first fish on the fly in probably about a year. So I think the last time was last July when I made the other video of the same exact spot. This has been our secret spot for years. Ooh. Wow, they all disappeared after they saw their buddy get caught right there. That's funny. That's there's another one. Not a bad looking fish, honestly. Just awesome fish. Especially on the fly, it doesn't get much better than that. Oh, he's coming, he's coming. Another one. Oh, he came off. Auto release. Still count it though. Another one. These guys shake so much. Oh, nice one on a blue wing olive. Oh, shit.
Yeah, there you go.
Ah, dang. As soon as I start casting, the wind picks up. Oh, so, that's bad timing. So, you're a booger, you know that? So if you're not really helping me out here. You Need help getting up here, Soph? Come here. Oh, there you go. Well guys, we're back in the car, and I think that's pretty much gonna conclude this episode. I know it's kind of short, but I want to spread these episodes out a little bit more because I think I could do this one and then maybe 2 more. So I just want to give you guys more content, and you know, and then that way it's not like a 15 or 20 minute video. Right now we're gonna get some lunch because we haven't eaten like all day, and it's like 1:30, and we're all pretty hungry. But the next episode, I'm hoping we're gonna go to the hatchery. I'll explain later in that episode. Also, I'm having like a sale on all my apparel, so click that first link in the description below. Please subscribe, it helps me out a lot. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.